amped.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do.
Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about travel, lifestyle, owning your own business, life with celiac, hauls, fashion, styling, all the things. And today I'm so excited because today we have a $157 Elwood haul. Elwood is becoming one of my more favorite brands when it comes to really good quality organic cotton materials. They make really good sweatpants, sweatshirts. I got a pair of their sweatpants last year, and I also got Matt a pair of their sweatpants last year, and they're the sweatpants that he literally wears most often out of every single pair of sweatpants he has. And so when I saw they were doing a little sale, I figured why not go ham, get some Elwood stuff. So let's get into the haul. What I will also say is we have a few items in this haul for Matt, so I'm not going to show you guys every single item in the haul because we can't ruin the surprise because he's literally right here. So we can't show this guy what he's getting for Christmas. So 2 of the, I think 4 or 5 items in this haul will be a secret, but what you will get to do is watch me. I'll like show them to the camera so you guys can see them, but I'm not gonna like unwrap them totally because I'm gonna let him do that. And what I am gonna do is probably wrap them for Christmas. So I know you guys are seeing this video after Christmas, but I'm filming this right before Christmas. And so I'll show you guys a little bit of like the behind the scenes gift wrapping, but let's get into this fun Elwood haul. I've got the big bag of stuff, so let's get into it.
Everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all. Tell you I have even more.
Okay, so this is item 1. I actually can show you guys the things that I got for Matt because the way that they come in these little bags that, as you can see here, like literally I can open and close them myself. So let's start out with item 1 in the haul, which is I'm gonna show you guys the name, but I'm not gonna say it out loud. This is the beauty of filming with your husband 3 feet from you. Hold on, it's gonna focus in a sec, guys. There we go. It is the that item in that color, in that size. We get a little closer for you guys to see. Okay, that is the item, color, size. So we got these for Matt. You're not allowed to look over this way.
Okay.
You can see the color. You guys, these are so soft. I'm so excited to give these to him. He's gonna love these and wear them all the freaking time. So this is item number 1. And you guys, what I kind of want to do is I kind of just want to get these wrapped like ASAP for him so that he can't see them. So I'm going to show you this item and the next one. And then we're going to wrap things and then we'll come back into the rest of the haul. So this is item number 2 for Matt. This is So that's the name of the item, that's the color, and that is the size. So this is item number 2 for him. Oh wow, it looks so nice. Okay, you're also not allowed to look. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this part of it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. The color, I'm just obsessed with this. Actually obsessed, and I don't want to say more because he's literally right here. So those are items number 1 and number 2. I'm so excited to give these to him. And I think he's gonna love them. Wait, he's getting up and he's cheating. Ah! Okay, we'll rush. We're rush hiding our things from him because he has to take a call and the dog is barking. And I'm gonna get, yes, come through. Hold, please. So he's going to take his call. Now I can wrap these 2 items for him, and here's what I'll say, you guys. So the color of this second item matches the sweatpants that I got him last year. So this way, he has a full matching set and, Gouda, stop, and a new pair of sweatpants. So these are big items, big in size, because he's a size large because he's so tall. So let me get these 2 items wrapped. I like to sit on the floor when I wrap my gifts. Maybe that's weird, but that's my thing. Let me sit on the floor, get my gifts wrapped, and then we'll show you the rest of the haul. Oh my God, I cannot believe this was the last of the wrapping paper, you guys. Holy crap.
All the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want.
I'm just gonna cut this right down the middle here, and we are going to do our best to get these items to fit with what's left of the wrapping paper we have. I can't believe I'm gonna have to go out and get more wrapping paper. Ah!
And that you could rely over little lies to tell yourself it. Never get it wrong, it's always right.
Okay, you guys, I'm wrapping these gifts, and I love wrapping. Figured why not start to make this like a little chat with you guys while I'm doing this. I don't know about you guys, but I love wrapping gifts. There's just something about it that is like very relaxing to me. Yeah, it just feels super relaxing. I know that some people love like doing Legos and stuff for relaxation. I literally hate Lego. There's nothing that like sounds less relaxing to me than building Legos. But wrapping presents, oh, I absolutely love to wrap gifts. Love to wrap gifts. So we've got this guy wrapped, and now, hold on, let me wrap the other guy, and then we'll put them under the tree together, and then we'll finish the haul.
Making a plate, being a plate, she is on a roll, she's on a roll.
I have Matt's gifts wrapped.
Exist and no true.
Let's put them under the Christmas tree together.
I'm getting away, she's not
Got space here for a gift, and space right here for a gift.
Don't mistake this girl for being
Ah! Oh my gosh, so fun. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's finish the haul now.
'cause these are dreams.
Okay, so now that we already showed you guys the core sweatpant and the core hoodie, I want to show you guys 3 other items that I got. I got myself the oversized baby core tee, and I got myself the baby doll core tee. I got myself 2 colors of the oversized baby core tee and 1 color of the baby doll core tee.
This is someone
So let's start with the baby doll core tee. I got it in the vintage brown in a size small.
no.
Baby doll core tee, brown, size small.
'Cause these are dreams.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is honestly so freaking cute. I'm gonna try it on with this tank top under. I'm nervous now that the extra small is gonna be too small, but it did say oversized, so hopefully it works.
This is someone.
Oh my gosh, this is literally perfect. Okay, let me take this up
No.
so that you guys could see. Wait, I'm obsessed with this t-shirt. Look how nice the neckline is. The sleeves are the perfect length. It's so soft. It's so nice and fitted. You guys, how cute is this shirt? And the reason, one of the reasons I wanted this shirt because I wanted the shirt, but I also wanted to get this shirt specifically in the brown because I have the brown sweatpants. I have the Elwood sweatpants in brown. So I was like, if I get this little shirt, it's like a matching set. I wasn't gonna splurge and get myself a sweatshirt, wanted to save that for getting that for Matt. But I was like, I can make now a matching set with my Elwood brown sweatpants and this cutie top. I love this. I absolutely love this item. I will absolutely probably be getting myself another vintage baby doll core tee from Elwood the next time they have a sale, because oh my gosh, this t-shirt is so freaking cute. And I feel like I've seen so many people talking about cuts and cuts shirts and things like that. I've got to say, this is like the exact same look and seemingly quality of the cut stuff, except it is way more affordable and it's organic cotton. So big fan of Elwood, big fan of this baby doll tee. So let's try on the next two shirts, which are the oversized baby core tee. Oh my God, this is so cute. I literally love this so much. I'm gonna take the tag off immediately. This is so cute. I'm so excited about this shirt. Oh my gosh. And last but least, we have two of the same style shirt. We have the extra small oversized baby core tee. Got it in the black and the brown. I'm so excited. Super cute. This is what it looks like. It is a oversized cropped t-shirt. Immediate yes. Oh my God, it's just so cute. It's so cute and it fits so well. Let me basically turn this into a bra so that you don't see it sticking out from the bottom. I love this shirt so much. This is honestly so adorable. It's so cute. It's so cozy. Super simple. I love the neckline. It's like a little distressed, as you can see here. I love everything about the shirt. Like, it's just literally plain. We've got lining here for the arms. You can see the bottom. It's kind of rolling up because of how it is like cut and cropped. And I just think this is so freaking cute. Like, so adorable as just like an everyday t-shirt. This is adorable to wear with jeans, to wear with sweatpants, to just wear with like leggings, to wear for a little workout as just like a quick over shirt for a workout. Ah, this is so cute. And let's try on our other color, which is the brown again. I wanted to get two different of the brown shirts. So this is the oversized. It is so freaking little. It's so cute. And lastly, our vintage brown. It's so freaking cute. Like, I just love this distressed neckline. Hold on, let me take the tag off since I know I'm gonna love this one too. I love this distressing here on the neckline. Like, I just love, love, love that. And what I will say is I'm honestly thinking of my grandma right now. My grandma would crack up that I bought a shirt that has like wear on it. My grandma would be like, what? Why would you buy something like that? But I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Adorable. I love it. And I know it's winter, so am I wearing a lot of crop tops? No, not really. Not wearing a lot of crop tops per se in the winter, but this is so cute. It's so comfortable and it's such good material. And I have wanted to try these styles of tops for Elwood for so long, and I just waited for a sale. I waited until I knew I wanted to get something for Matt as well, and got myself these three shirts. So yeah, I can't wait to hear what you guys think. What do you think of this like loose, kind of oversized baby doll tee? What do you guys think of like the kind of more fitted baby doll tee that I got in brown? Do you guys want to see Matt do a try on of the things that I got him? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what your favorite item is. And if you guys are still watching this video, you are a real one. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Literally.
You're on Instagram.